Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Sunday, so we have a 2-layer cake, our routines and renew your spirit. Doesn't matter if you're payroll or you're at home, those are the only things we're doing today. So we're going to get up this morning and put ourselves through our morning routine. Let's review. That is, make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, put on your moisturizer, comb your hair, get dressed, put on a little makeup if you wear it, a little jewelry, a little perfume if you choose, wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, go into the kitchen, empty the dishwasher or rack, and make a little breakfast and or coffee or something to drink. Then wake up the family and put them through their morning routine, teenagers too, because everybody's going to go worship today. All right, after that, then their routines again are make their bed, wash their face, brush their teeth, comb their hair, wipe out the sink, hang up their hand towel, put on their clothes, put their pajamas away, and come eat breakfast. But on Sundays, you might want to switch the eating breakfast with the putting the clothes on. Your call. You're the principal. You're the CEO. Okay, after breakfast and everyone's dressed, you're going to do a real quick inspect what you expect. Go in there and make sure everything was done. If you haven't already done so, do a quick clutter check for any mindless clutter. And then we're going to go off to worship. When we come back, we're going to have a nice dinner. The family's going to help set the table, help clear the table, help clean up the kitchen. It's going to be a wonderful, fun day. And that's it. Now today is also a time for you to have a little downtime and look at your planner and see what you've got planned for this week. Make sure that it's all what you think. You know, we're going to be in zone 2 this week, which is the kitchen all week long. So you can put that in there. You can put your menu in there for the week, or at least through Wednesday if you buy out every Wednesday. You can even go ahead and create your menu and finish it out. It'll ease up Wednesday when you get ready to do your grocery planning. You'll already have those menus in place. So put those in there. And then what you're going to do every day, besides zone 2, the kitchen, you know, the basic weekly home blessing hour on Monday, or how you're going to split it up through the week. On Tuesday is your free day. On Wednesday is your planning and desk day, balance the checkbook. On Thursday is your errand day. On Friday is your car and purse day. Saturday, family fun day. So you can get it all planned out. Any doctor's appointments, birthdays, they all go in there. And it's easy when you look at it every day to say, oh, that's all I have to do. I have a plan for everything else, right? Okay, that's it for today. This is short and sweet, but I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. And always remember that you are beautiful.